This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Karen Rittenauer. Spacious mountain home just waiting for your personal touches. Enjoy long-range mountain views from this spacious 3-bed/3-bath home with full basement. All one-level living with master bedroom and laundry on the main level. Sit around the wood stove on those cooler days and enjoy mountain views and nature from the wall of windows in the large living room. Inviting kitchen with sitting area. Mudroom/laundry room off the main level garage. Downstairs boasts another bedroom, bathroom, family room, and another garage. Gorgeous grounds with large fenced-in area. Handicap accessible. Gated entry. And there's a 1-bed/1-bath cottage on the property with a full kitchen and living area. Great for income-producing rentals/in-laws. Unrestricted, farm animals welcome. In great investment property. Motivated seller. For more information